What is second-degree AV block? There are two types of second-degree AV block. The first type, known as the Mobitz type 1 or the Wenckebach block. You see here, there's a progressive prolongation of the PR interval until there's a failure to conduct and the ventricular beat is dropped. So you see here the PR interval, the starting of the P wave to the R wave is 120 milliseconds, and then it's longer and longer until there's an unconducted P wave, and then it conducts again. So it's a gradual prolonging of the PR interval until there's a failure to conduct a P wave. This is called the Mobitz type 1 or the Wenckebach block. Again, in an example, the PR interval become longer and longer, and then until P wave is not conducted. So PR interval longer and then not conducted. This is a typical Wenckebach block. How about the Mobitz type 2? It's a regularly dropped ventricular beats. For example, 2-to-1 block. That is, for every 2 P wave, there's only 1 P wave conducted to the ventricle. So here, this P wave is not conducted. This P wave is conducted to the QRS, and this is not conducted. This is conducted. For every conducted P wave, the PR interval is constant. And this is the Mobitz type 2 heart block. Another example of Mobitz type 2, the PR interval is normal. Every other P wave fails to conduct, and it's a 2-to-1 block. Of course, it can be higher or greater block. So here, this P wave is not conducted. This P wave is conducted. This P wave is not conducted. This is conducted. For the conducted P wave, the PR interval is constant. Let's contrasting the Mobitz type 1 and type 2. Again, the type 1 is a gradual prolonging of the PR interval until there's a drop beat or unconducted P wave. But for the Mobitz type 2, there's the conducted, unconducted, there's a fixed ratio of conducted P wave. And for conducted P wave, the PR interval is constant.